Welcome back, my friends. Today, let's talk about digital stickers, especially if you're using GoodNotes. I will show you how to download, import the digital stickers to your GoodNotes. And I will using the digital sticker from my shop to do a quick plan with me. If you are new to this channel, my name is Ronron Deval. I'm a fashion illustrator. My art is all about empowering women like you and me. Celebrate diversity. You will find lots of cute stationeries and gift items in my shop. And in this channel, my goal is to share my art process, plan with me, and the behind-the-scenes story of being an artist and small business owner. If those sounds interesting to you, hit the subscribe button and let's be friends. So in this video, I'll be using a digital sticker book from my shop called Shoproom.com. On this website, you will find a whole collection of digital sticker books, other digital items on here. So for the digital sticker book, there's two ways you can use it. One is the digital way, like I'm going to show you how do you download it, import it to GoodNotes, and use the sticker that way, but also you can use your quirky machine to print them out and cut it yourself in using your physical planner. I will insert a video for it so you can take a deeper dive for how do you download, print, and cut our digital stickers in the physical format. But today, I will show you how do you do that digitally. As a thank you of you watching this video, I have a free sticker sheet for you. You can check it out down the description below, and I hope you enjoy it. So hi friend, I am on my website. As you can see, there's a lot of planner sticker and gift items. If you go on, click the digital stickers in the mall, over here you can find a wide range of pretty much all my physical sticker books that's in digital version. And for this video, I will choose Plant Lady stickers, and I will add to cart, and once you check out, I will show you how to insert it into your GoodNotes. Once you download it to your computer, you will see there's two folders. One is individual PNG. This is for the digital planning. This is a whole sheet. This is for the printing, means like you use your Cricut machine to print. So for the digital, for GoodNotes, we'll be using the individual PNG for digital planning. Once you open, it's all the elements from this sticker pack in the transparent background format. Well, once we have this folder download, and especially for digital planning, we'll be using individual PNGs. I actually gonna rename it as Plant Lady so I don't get confused with the printing folder. And then simply I will drag this folder to iCloud Drive. Super easy. Now it's in my iCloud Drive. And then next, I will move to iPad and open it from the GoodNotes. Okay, I am on my iPad right now, and I'm going to open the GoodNotes. And then I'm sure you have your digital planner already. If you don't, I will insert where you can get a free digital planner. That's where I got it from. It's from another YouTuber. I will link her free digital planner below. So how do we insert the digital sticker where we just download it and add it to iCloud? It's very simple. You will just click this picture button. There's a pop-up will show. And this is pretty much your camera roll. But I will choose Insert From. And then there's a lot of options. You can choose where you choose the picture from. You can, if you don't like to add to iCloud, you can add to Google Drive or Dropbox. It's completely up to you. Since we added it to iCloud, I will choose iCloud. And then I will find the folder Plan Lady Digital Planning, and I will click it, and then all these PNG files are here ready for you to do your digital planning. Let's do a quick plan with me using all these Plant Lady digital stickers. Hi friend, I hope you enjoy this plan with me and the tutorial of how to import digital stickers to the GoodNotes. We are done, and don't forget to download your free digital sticker sheet in the description below, and I will see you next time.